In today's video, I want to take my time to teach you how to apply for jobs or any opportunity that you find on the Happy Face Telegram group or our website. So I need you to understand something. 95% of the posts we have on our website and on Telegram are all free applications. Yes, as you can see, these are free applications for you to apply. Once you see a free application and you are interested in applying, you must, you must follow the instruction written on the post. So there are some instructions that will tell you to send an email. Then you send an email, and when you're sending an email, please send an email like a learned person, like someone who went to school. Send an email with a subject, with a well detailed body, with your CV and your cover letter. If you know that you don't know how to do this documentation, you can book an appointment with Happy Face and discuss it with us, and we can assist you with that. But for those who know what they are doing, please follow the instruction. All of these things that have the instruction saying free application, you are to apply by yourself for absolutely free. I am going to use this as an example. Caregiver needed in the USA. All you need to do is come here. This is the link, and click on the link. Once you click on the link, as you can see like so, it takes you directly to the post on the site. And when you get that particular post, every information you will need about this particular job application, job description is on the site. Look at this: caregiver, position full-time, location New Jersey, USA, company Care One Senior Living, New Jersey, USA. Job description: these are your key responsibility, the experience they need, how to apply, and this is the email. All you need to do is send an email with a professionally written subject, email body, your CV, and your cover letter to the email. Very important. It is that easy. We always put the email for you to apply, and apply directly. It is free. You do not pay for any job application on Happy Face. Please, if anybody has collected money for you that they are giving you a job from Happy Face, it is not true, because it is absolutely free. Now, these are not the only jobs available. We only put few jobs on the Telegram group when we have the time, because we are also busy doing so many things. But we have compiled all the jobs available, and we have it on the website. Not just jobs, even free opportunities for you to take advantage of. So all you need to do, and all you owe yourself, is to come to the website every day. Go to this particular place that says visa sponsorship, and you're going to see the drop down like this. So you're going to see jobs in Canada, jobs in New Zealand, jobs in Dubai, jobs in Luxembourg, jobs in UK, jobs in the USA, jobs in Australia, jobs in Kuwait, even remote jobs. And these jobs are updated every single day. So if you're looking for a job in Canada, all you need to do is click on jobs in Canada, and you're going to find the job you are looking for. So in this case, if you're a truck driver, you come here, click on it, and apply. Just as I have explained, this is the email. You go to the email and do the same thing. Send a professional subject, email body, your CV, and your cover letter. So you go to the particular country, navigate to the particular country that you want, navigate there. If it's New Zealand, look for what is tailored to your own work experience. If you're a sales administrator, apply for sales administrator. If you're a caregiver, apply for caregiver. If you're a chef, apply for chef. These are all the jobs you can apply for. So aside job application, we post every single day opportunities on the main website, which is this. And you can also take advantage of it. Yes. So all of these things on the main website, as you can see, is something you can take advantage of. Look at this, how to migrate to Finland for free. You just click on it and you read step by step by step by step. And you follow this step to apply, and you start applying. Everything has been written for you. We have taken our time to write this for you. So you don't have any reason why you have not started applying right away. We have a minimum of 50 posts on the website every day. That means you have a minimum of 20 to 50 opportunities that you can take advantage of. Are you telling me that you have started applying for all the opportunities? The answer is no, because we understand that if you're applying for all these opportunities that we have put out there, you will at least get into one of them. So, for those of you who are now asking, what about posts that have things like this is for our monthly subscribers? Now, there are posts like this that are reserved solely for our monthly subscribers. But these posts are just 5% of all the posts that we make. 95% is on the website, available for everybody to apply. Now, you want to ask me, why do we reserve 5% for our monthly subscribers? We reserve 5% for our monthly subscribers because we have people who have decided to support the page by paying a monthly subscription, and they are also there to support us, to encourage us, so that we continue giving out this content for absolutely free. We decided to also help them because they are supporting us with their monthly subscription, and they do this every single month. What we do for them is that we apply for jobs for them for free. Yes, we do the job applications for them. So we write their CV, we write their cover letter, we help them out with any documentation that they need as a virtual assistant. So we come in as a virtual assistant, helping them with application, documentation, so that it is easier for them. Because some of our subscribers would say that they go to work from morning till evening. When they come back, they're too tired to apply. So they subscribe to us and leave the work for us, because we are there to offer a virtual assistant service to them. So don't get confused. So when you see monthly subscribers apply for free, it's because we have people who are monthly subscribers and we apply for them. So if you're not a monthly subscriber and you see anything that was written for the monthly subscriber, leave those ones and focus on the one that states apply for free. Everyone can apply. That is for you. Focus on that one. The one for the monthly subscribers, they are subscribed to our channel and they are subscribed to our website every month and they pay the monthly subscription fee. Definitely they have to get benefits for that. So you don't expect us to just leave them. No. So we help them, we hold their hands, we have meetings with them, we direct them, and we go ahead to even help them apply. So that is the benefit of being a monthly subscriber. And remember, being a monthly subscriber is not compulsory. It is not compulsory to be a monthly subscriber. So you don't have to be a monthly subscriber to take advantage of all the free applications. All you need to do is, please, when you see a post, because we're going to be posting every single day, when you see a post, just click on the link on the post and read through and follow the instruction. Whatever we are applying for you is something that we have already put on the website for free for you to take advantage of. I hope this is clear so nobody is confused as to how to apply or not to apply. I'm just going to go back to the website one more time and just show you guys. So if you go to the home page, you're going to see different opportunities you can take advantage of. Once this pops up, this is just, an advert that tells people to join the Telegram group. You can just close it and continue surfing. You can see how to migrate to Finland for free, how to travel to Finland without a visa. So many things are there for you to look at. Read them. Read them, read them, read them. Immigration to Canada through express entry. There's so many things available for you to see and read. So read them, take your time and apply. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to use the website and apply. Bye. I love you.